Hello guys, I am Devindu and today we are going to install VS Code in our system. So if you already had installed VS Code in your system, then you can skip the starting part of this video, but definitely check out the last part of this video where I will install some extensions in VS Code, and these extensions will help you to code faster and it will improve your experience. So let's get started. I opened my browser and searching for VS Code for Windows. And the first link where download VS Code is mentioned, click on the link and this page will show up. It is the official page of the VS Code, and here you can see there are lots of download sections where you can download for Mac and download for Linux and also Windows. So I am installing it for Windows, so click on this link and you can see the download already has started. So please wait for some time. So you can see the download already completed, so click on this. Accept the agreement and click on next, and definitely check those things where add open with VS Code and also created a desktop icon will help you. So next and next, and please wait for some time while it is installing. And as you can see that the installation has already completed, and just launch for now. Click on finish and then the VS Code will pop up in your system and you are successfully installed VS Code in your system. With the help of VS Code you can open any folder where you wanted to write some code, and as you see I opened the coding folder, and in the coding folder I have Java code name folder, and as you can see I also have Java code, and inside the Java code I have some one folder called abstraction and other Java codes. And as you can see the I have opened one Java code from here, and you can see the actual syntax are something like colorful, and it will help the developer for code. Also you can create one new file with this button, and let's suppose I am typing a name of my file is new file dot js. Js stands for JavaScript, and as you can see that the JavaScript file also have some Java JS logo, and I can write any JavaScript code inside that. So it is the cool features of VS Code that colorizing the variables and the value and other things. It will definitely help you throughout this course. So now let's go for the extension download part. Okay, let's start downloading the extension. So you can download any extension from this icon. Just click on it and search for any extension that you want to download. And in our case, the first extension will be material icon theme, and this is the actual icon. I have installed it beforehand, so I just enabled this. And as you can see that after enabling this, the folder icon has changed and the file icon has also changed. So this is the working of this extension, that it is customize the icons of the folder and files. Go for the next extension, which is the prettier, and you can also find the prettier by searching here. Just type prettier and you can see that this is the actual extension which I am opening. I already installed it, and this extension helps us to indent our code and format automatically our code, so it will help us lot of time to actually indenting and formatting of our code. And the next extension which I am talking about is bracket player colorizer. Actually, this extension does that, and this extension colorize the bracket, starting bracket and ending bracket. So you can see that this is the opening bracket and this is the closing bracket. So and the opening and closing bracket are in similar color. So it will help the developers to realize where they open any brackets or close any brackets. The next extension is called Indent Rainbow, and you can also download it from here similar way. And what it does that, if you can see the app.js file, this is the actually rainbowing the indentation. So with the help of this we can easily realize that in the app div, class name of app, the header and the inside the header the image and paragraph are situated. So this is the very useful, and we will realize that this is a very useful extension when you code in HTML and CSS. The next extension is called ES6 React Redux React Native Snippets. So, and also the another extension is called Auto Import ES6 TS and JSS and TSX. These two extension is does that it will reduce the actual lengthy typing of your JavaScript code, and there is a different type of snippets that you can use for win the code. The last extension is Code Runner, and it will give a cool button to run any code in the terminal, and you can see I will use it in the course. Okay guys, so that's all for this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.